Okay, let's talk about something that isn't quite as interesting or sexy but has to be discussed. And this is the subject of safety equipment when it comes to power washing. Okay? So, firstly, I would recommend getting something called Bullfrog 2s. You can get these off Amazon, but they're going to help you walk on roofs and keep your feet from getting wet and protect them. You definitely want to get goggles because debris can spray back up into your face, especially when you hit corners or rocky areas. Make sure your clothes are okay to get dirty. Use traffic cones for your area so people drive around. And if you're going to use stronger chemicals, you're probably going to get a gas mask. That way you're not breathing in all of this stuff. Very common beginner mistake when it comes to roof cleaning is not cleaning all the angles. So remember, everything that you're physically looking at and shooting with your cleaning solution will clean. But when you walk around and look at the other angles, you're going to see that there's still dirt there. So you have to be very careful to clean all of the angles or you're going to get callbacks. So what do you need to know about using lifts in pressure washing? Well, most lifts are rentable, and when renting, you're going to be charged per day, and some companies give discounts for having them for longer. So use them for bigger jobs, and make sure you get the safety training from the company that you're renting from so you don't get hurt. And then finally, make sure you add these costs to your original quote so your customer is paying for your lift, and you don't take the loss. So here we have an all-flow pump for soft washing when you're doing pressure washing. This is always part of a more advanced build, and as you can see, you need an air compressor to go with it. You have to plumb it properly and understand the gauges, but after everything is said and done, you'll have a higher efficiency and reliability when it comes to delivering any chemicals that you need to pump out on your jobs. And this is an upgrade from a 12-volt system and is kind of like your next step up when you're doing soft washing. Great tool to use when you're doing pressure washing is to use an extension wand. So even when you don't need to reach like a high up place or it's an area you can't quite reach so easily, an extension wand is great at delivering high pressure to an entire area very, very quickly. It's much faster than just using a regular gun. And I would consider using this, especially if you're just on a 4 gallon a minute machine. You'll be able to bust out that pressure really quick and get through jobs faster.